Hey guys, so in honor of Pride Month, I wanted to do a little series with a bunch of Pride themed looks. So in this video, I'll be showing y'all how I got this Asexual colors themed look. And as usual, you do not have to use the exact same products I use, just use whatever works for you. And with that being said, let's get into it. So starting off, you know you gotta prime those eyelids. So I'll be going in with the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. Let me go over the products I'll be using. For the eyeshadow, I'm gonna use colors from the Morphe 35B palette. For the color specifically, I'm gonna use this purple right here, and then this black color right at the bottom, and also this white one up at the top. And I'm gonna use the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Liner later on, just to add a bunch of sparkle to the look. So using a fluffy brush, I'm gonna go in with the black color, and because I don't personally have a gray eyeshadow with me, right now I'm in Anaheim and I unfortunately couldn't bring my entire makeup collection with me. I'm gonna have to make do, which means I'm gonna take this black color and very lightly apply that in the crease and make sure I blend it out so that it appears more of a gray color. I'm taking just a tiny bit, so much that you can't even see that. I'm even gonna tap it out a little bit. And yeah, going right in the crease. See, you already see the line. So we're gonna blend that out. And this takes a lot of patience if you wanna make sure it's blended correctly. I'm gonna go in with a little bit more and tap that in above it. And using the same brush and the same shade, I'm gonna apply that just right on the outer corner of the lid. And this one, you're gonna wanna make sure you get the pigment in, because this will stand for the black stripe on the flag. And next I'm gonna cut the crease using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and this flat concealer brush. So I'm just gonna apply that right on the bare part of the lid and making sure it's very sharp and defined right underneath the crease. And next, using a dense packing brush, I'm gonna set that concealer with a white eyeshadow. And you just wanna pack this on there. And next I'm gonna take this flat packing brush and going in with the purple, I'm gonna apply that just right on the lower lash line. I'm even gonna bring that up a little bit and blend that just a smidge into the black. And next we're going in with the glitter, and I'm gonna apply that very generously all across the lid. Oh, and I don't think I mentioned that I'm just applying this on the white part. I'm even gonna tap a little bit down into the inner corner, just for fun. Now we wait for it to dry. So now that that's done, it's time to repeat this on the other side, add some lashes, and you're good. So that's the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like. And if you do decide to recreate this look, please tag me in any pictures. I'd love to see them. And subscribe to my channel as well. I'd really appreciate it. And have a happy Pride Month, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Bye!